Vibe Cooking. My name is Rose, and today I am here to try the John Legend fried chicken recipe. If you see me talking a little bit weird, I have a cold. I'm getting better, but I'm not there yet. I'm getting better though. I watched that video over and over and over again. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. John Legend making fried chicken. And I'm like, I've never made a fried chicken recipe like this before. I have to try it. So why not come on here and try it for you guys? So here we have our chicken. First, he brined the chicken, so that's what we're going to do. Before we start, if you're watching Island Vibe Cooking for the first time, hey, be sure you subscribe before you leave the channel. I do make awesome, delicious recipe here. You will not regret, so be sure you subscribe for me, please. And also leave a like. I must say, I watched the recipe for about 3 or 4 times. I'm like, I have to make this recipe for you guys. So why not come on camera and just show you guys how I do it the exact same way he did it, but I want to try it. I just want to taste it to see how it tastes. You know, everybody loves themselves some fried chicken. I know I do. But to get started, we're going to brine the chicken. I'm using this chicken right here. You can use chicken thighs, drumstick, or you can use wings, but we're using drumsticks, so let's get started. First thing first that he did, he went and add the chicken to a bowl, which is what we're going to do. Just add your chicken on here. Once you add your chicken, you're going to add seasoned salt. I'm using regular seasoned salt, about a tablespoon. Okay, seasoned salt. So I'll say a teaspoon of the cayenne pepper. If you want it spicy, of course, you can add more. And I'll be adding a tablespoon of garlic powder. All right, so we're not adding salt. I mean, you can add salt if you want, but we're trying to make his exact recipe, right? So we're going to add in 2 cups of water. Now, all I have to do is just stir this for a little bit, and then we're going to cover it, place it in the fridge for about 3 hours, okay? And we're going to place it in the fridge. All right, all we have to do now is wait till our chicken is ready in about 3 hours. Okay guys, 3 hours later, I'm back with my face beat. I did my makeup, changed my clothes, but now the chicken is finally ready to be frying. So let's get it out the fridge. We have our chicken right here. Now we're going to remove it from the water, place it in a different container. All right, this is our chicken. Now it's time to make the breading. I have my flour here in a Ziploc bag, just like him. And now we're going to season the flour with seasoned salt. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons. Okay, make sure it's nice and tasty. Cayenne pepper again. Now, the cayenne pepper is really spicy. It's up to you to know how much you want to add in there. Now, all we have to do is add our chicken to our seasoned flour. Now, I usually make sure I taste my flour. You gotta taste the flour. I'm not telling you to eat it, just taste it a little bit. Make sure you shake it really good. Now, time to fry our chicken. All right, I think I got a good mix. Now it's time to fry our chicken. I have my oil here already hot and ready. Alright guys, while the chicken is frying, I am about to make the Cholula sauce. You will need butter and of course the Cholula hot sauce. All right, all you have to do now is just melt your butter and add your Cholula sauce to it, okay? You can use as much as you want. It's very spicy. Let's go. All right, guys, the chicken is ready. Nice and crispy. Now we're going to add the Cholula sauce to the butter. All you have to do now is add the hot sauce into the butter and just pour it all over your chicken. All right, let's pour it all over the chicken now. Jesus Christ. I can't wait. All right. That seems pretty good. It looks good. Let's. No, that is still crispy. It is good, but it's not spicy. I needed more hot sauce, but it's good, guys. It's good. It's a good recipe. Oh, it's too hot. Nicely seasoned. It has a little hint of spiciness to it, but it's not spicy like crazy. Of course, you can add more cayenne pepper, more hot sauce, but this is the recipe. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe if you're watching Island Vibe Cooking for the first time. And I will see you guys on a new video. Bye.